Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome back to the 12 Crafts of Christmas. So I found these at Hobby Lobby. They are $2.99 and they have the 50% off going on, so it's $1.50. And they're like pipe cleaners, but they look like little pine needles. I have never seen these before and I thought they were really cute, and they immediately reminded me of a wreath. So I thought that maybe we could make a wreath using these, and yeah, so here we go. And I haven't done this before, obviously, and I'm doing it for the first time with you guys. So probably could be a fail, but we shall see. So I want it to be an ornament, so I thought it would be cute to be kind of a small one like this. And then I was thinking that maybe I would wrap the pipe cleaner around it as well to give it a little more bulk. At first I was thinking that I could use like a mason lid jar, you know, like the part that screws on and is like hollow in the middle, or not hollow, but has the cutout in the middle. I thought that I could wrap one of those with this to make the wreath. And then I thought, well, why would I even have to wrap something? Why can't I just, because these are wire, why couldn't I just use that? So that's what I thought. Oh, and I'm just now reading it, and it says Canadian pine stems. That's kind of funny. So these are Canadian pine stems as opposed to other kinds of pine stems, I guess. I don't know. To me, that's funny that it says that. Now I'm wrapping it around here, and I'm looking at it, and I think it's cute. It doesn't look much different, though, from this part that isn't wrapped. So I'm thinking, I wonder, I don't know, I think I'll just continue with it because I think it's still cute. But I'm wondering if I just, like, made it go around. Maybe I'll try that too, but let's finish wrapping it, and then I will try that look and see what I think of that too. And then I have some beads that I thought I would put on as little ornaments on the wreath, and then I'll probably put a bow as well. And then this can be hung on a tree. It can be a little wreath for a fairy garden. You could make it larger and put it, you know, as somewhere, a decoration as opposed to an ornament. So it's really kind of full and pretty right now. I could stop, but I just want to see what this looks like if I just continue it more like this, where I don't really wrap it. I just kind of put it around. It's still wrapping, but it's not as closely wrapped, I guess. You know, what if you had a little bird or something? That would be really cute on there too. Of course, I don't have one of those. I think that's pretty cute. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take some beads. And these are just beads that I've had in my stash. And it doesn't look like I've even used them yet. I don't think I have any red ones out yet, so I'm just going to keep pouring until I get some of every color. Then I'm going to take some tacky glue. I love this stuff, and I'd forgotten that I even liked it so much. Well, there we go. My mom used to use this a lot, so it kind of reminds me of her. And I think I'll use some tweezers to pick up the little beads. And it goes flying. Yikes. Here we go. Some of them are super easy to get on, and others of them are not. It's crazy. I already had a green one there. I didn't even see it. That's, wow. So I'm just sticking different colors around. If you wanted to do all one color, of course you could do that. Let's see. Maybe I'll do a light blue one. And let's do an orange one over here. I don't know if the tweezers made it easier or harder. That's pretty cute. I didn't think, but I need to have a place to put the ribbon, so I'm going to put it right here, I think. I'm going to add another bead over here, and maybe one over here. Let's see. There we go. I think that's really cute. Goodness gracious. Doop. Doop. There we go. All right, and then I need to get a ribbon. Maybe I'll just use some twine. And Actually, I think what I'll do is I'll do this. Stick it through right there. And go between those two beads right there. And then, yeah, I think I'll just tie this in a little knot at the top. So that it can be hung on the tree or in a window or something just like that. This is turning out really cute. I'm really liking this. Now I kind of want a bow on it though, so I think I'm going to take some more twine and make a little bow. And I'm going to put some of the tacky glue right there on top of the twine. And place this right on top. And there we go. I think that turned out really cute. I'm loving this. This might be my favorite one so far. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you guys give this a try. Super inexpensive ornament, lots of bang for your buck, and I think it's just adorable. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.